Here are the best things to do in Leicester, England. Number 15. King Power Stadium. Experience the Premier football culture at the iconic King Power Stadium, home to England Football League Championship club Leicester City. Soak in the electrifying atmosphere as roaring chants fill the air on match day. If you're a die-hard football fan, catching a game at King Power Stadium is highly recommended. Despite narrowly missing Champions League qualifications for 2 consecutive years due to ownership circumstances, every game here is compelling viewing. It's a testament to the team's resilience. Soak up the authentic taste of all things Leicester City Football Club by witnessing a live game. Feel the energy, passion and excitement as you cheer on the players. Number 14. UK National Space Centre. The UK National Space Centre is an ideal destination for anyone fascinated by space and science. With its 6 interactive galleries and impressive rocket tower, this renowned attraction offers a captivating journey of celestial exploration. Experience the wonders of space technology up close and personal, not just through static displays. Don't miss the breathtaking planetarium, the largest in the UK, where you can witness the universe's grandeur unfolding before your eyes. The centre goes beyond entertainment, offering educational activities and tailored programs for all ages, making it an enlightening experience for the whole family. Moreover, the centre hosts special events throughout the year, adding an extra dash of excitement to this scientific wonderland. Number 13. King Richard III Visitor Centre. Nestled in the heart of Leicester's Old Town, just opposite Leicester Cathedral, lies the magnificent King Richard III Visitor Centre. Step back in time and soak in medieval England as you explore this renowned museum. Delve into the fascinating tale of King Richard's life and witness the remarkable discovery and exhumation of his remains. Follow the clues and uncover medieval murder plots, piecing together the puzzle that leads to King Richard's long-lost grave. This archaeological wonder not only offers a thrilling adventure, but also deepens our knowledge of feudal times in England. Number 12. Leicester Guildhall. When you find yourself in Leicester, make sure you don't miss out on Leicester Guildhall. It's a true treasure with a rich history dating back to around 1390. Step into the past as you appreciate the stunning medieval architecture that adorns this timber-framed building. Not only does it offer an intriguing glimpse into the local history of Leicester, but it also serves as a versatile event space. Imagine exchanging vows in this beautiful venue or celebrating a special occasion in its unique setting. A visit to this place promises an extraordinary experience that beautifully combines the familiar with the extraordinary. Number 11. Leicester's Golden Mile. Leicester's Golden Mile is a vibrant and culturally diverse hub that you shouldn't miss. Stroll along this bustling street and entertain yourself with the tantalizing flavors of Indian cuisine, explore the array of ethnic fashion boutiques, and soak in the aromatic spices that fill the air. The Golden Mile is not just about shopping and dining, it's a place where history comes alive. Discover the roots of Leicester's Indian community and learn about its traditions through community events and celebrations. And don't forget to mark your calendar for the spectacular Diwali festivities, a truly awe-inspiring experience. Number 10. Leicester Museum and Art Gallery. Situated in the iconic New Walk, Leicester Museum and Art Gallery beckons with its wealth of cultural offerings and historical significance. Delve into interesting exhibitions that traverse an array of amazing subjects, including the wonders of the natural world, ancient Egypt's mysteries, formidable dinosaurs, exquisite Victorian art collections, and the evocative works of German Expressionism. This cherished destination is a treasure trove for history buffs and art enthusiasts alike, inviting you to learn more about Leicester's vibrant heritage. Don't miss the dedicated galleries that transport you to the enigmatic realm of ancient Egypt or the thrilling wild space experiences that ignite the imaginations of families. Number 9. Leicester Cathedral. Leicester Cathedral is an absolute gem with a history that stretches back over 900 years. Inside, you'll be treated to an incredible sight, the tomb of the legendary King Richard III. It's a perfect place for anyone fascinated by history. As you wander through the cathedral, take a moment to admire its exquisite stained glass windows. They add a touch of beauty to the already charming building. What's truly captivating is how this place intertwines Roman history with medieval architecture. From its origins as a Roman temple to its connection with Greyfriars Church and King Richard III's burial, every corner holds a piece of the past. Number 8. Grand Union Canal. The Grand Union Canal, stretching for 40 miles, is a scenic waterway that winds its way through the heart of the city, showcasing both urban landscapes and scenic countryside. Unveiling its rich history, this canal served as a vital link between Leicester and London in the 19th century. Today, it's a tranquil haven, offering respite from the city's hustle and bustle. Stroll leisurely along the canal's banks, embracing the idyllic surroundings, or embark on a soothing boat trip to fully enjoy its tranquility. As you venture along its path, you'll encounter charming villages and rolling hills, providing a glimpse into the diverse landscapes that Leicester has to offer. By the way, check the links in the description for recommended tour operators that will enhance your Leicester experience and save you valuable time and effort. Number 7. Bradgate Park. Welcome to Bradgate Park. This 830-acre public park is an absolute beauty, offering a wild and rugged landscape that will leave you in awe. The dramatic rocky outcrops provide astonishing views that are simply impressive. But it's not just the scenery that makes this place special. Imagine walking through a park with a rich history. Bradgate Park was once a medieval hunting ground and a deer park, and today you can witness herds of majestic deer freely roaming around the park. It's like stepping back in time. Additionally, don't miss the ruins of a magnificent Tudor manor house and an iconic 18th century folly. These historical landmarks will transport you to a bygone era. Number 6. Leicester Market. Leicester Market is a vibrant and historic landmark rooted in the city's trade for over 700 years. This bustling hub offers a gripping array of goods for exploration, making it a shopper's paradise. Indulge in the freshest produce, succulent meat, stylish clothing, exquisite jewelry, and even browse through second-hand books and unique bric-a-brac stalls. As you wander through the market, soak in its lively atmosphere and embrace the city's identity woven into its fabric. Before leaving, remember to savor the award-winning food hall, renowned for its exceptional quality in fresh produce, meat, fish, and more. Number 5. Leicester Abbey Park. Nestled just north of Leicester city centre, Leicester Abbey Park is an idyllic public park that will leave you spellbound. Stretching across 32 acres along the tranquil banks of the River Soar, it offers a serene escape from the bustling city. Managed by Leicester City Council, this park holds a rich historical significance and is a vital part of Leicester's attractions. You can enjoy activities such as boating on the lake, exploring the ruins of Leicester's Augustine Monastery, and discovering the park's famous flower displays. With its serene environment and range of recreational opportunities, you'll appreciate every moment spent at Abbey Park. Number 4. Church of St. Mary de Castro. Visit the Church of St. Mary de Castro, an architectural marvel founded in the 12th century by Robert de Beaumont, 1st Earl of Leicester. This Grade 1 Leicester church is a perfect place for history enthusiasts and culture lovers alike. Marvel at its awesome architecture. Dive into its rich history, as it once served both the castle and townsfolk, and now offers regular services and concerts as an Anglo-Catholic parish church. While you're there, soak in the medieval charm and appreciate the cultural heritage of this enchanting place. Number 3. Bosworth Battlefield Heritage Centre. Ready to dive into history? Head over to Bosworth Battlefield Heritage Centre, located near Leicester. History buffs and those fascinated by English history will find this place a real treat. It's the only battlefield in England with its own interpretation centre, offering an immersive and informative experience. The centre, operated by the Leicestershire County Council, boasts a vibrant exhibition that brings the Battle of Bosworth to life. With numerous awards under its belt, it's no surprise that visitors rave about its engaging displays. Don't forget to explore the mile-long battlefield trail outside, where audio and visual cues reveal the secrets of this historical conflict. Number 2. Abbey Pumping Station. Located near the National Space Centre, Abbey Pumping Station is an engrossing place that celebrates the city's industrial heritage. This Victorian building offers a glimpse into the history of science, technology, and sewage management. Inside, you'll find beautifully decorated halls housing a variety of exhibits, including 4 impressive steam-powered beam engines that still work like a charm. Get ready to be transported back in time as you explore interactive displays and hands-on exhibits that bring to life the astounding advancements made in industry and science. Number 1. Leicester Cultural Quarter. Last but not the least, the Leicester Cultural Quarter is an absolute delight for culture enthusiasts. Brace yourself for an exhilarating experience in this vibrant hub of artistic activities and events. The star attraction here is the Curve Theatre, a cutting-edge performing arts centre that leaves audiences engrossed. With an impressive lineup of ballets, concerts, dramas, and hilarious comedy shows throughout the year, there's always something exciting happening at Curve Theatre. This state-of-the-art venue not only showcases Leicester's cultural heritage, but also celebrates its thriving arts community. Click here for more things to do in England.